Hey everyone! In this video, I'll be sharing with you the latest and greatest Amazon deals. If you're looking for some great deals, make sure to watch this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Atsense Olive Green Comforter Set Queen. Atsense Olive Green Comforter Set is a great gift idea for men and women at the special festival, such as housewarming, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and birthdays. Machine washable, tumble dry at low temperature. No shrinking, no color fading, and no unraveling after washing. Do not bleach. Original price, $75.0, now discounted 49% to $38.0. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 2. OUQI LED Ceiling Light 6400 LM White 6 Rings Lighting Fixture for Living Room. 2835 LED SMD is up to 70% energy saving than incandescent lamps. Its service life is more than 30,000 hours. High CRI index up to 90, which simulates natural light to the greatest extent. Stepless dimming, the brightness of 640 lumens to 6,400 lumens can be adjusted according to your needs. Original price, $124.99, now discounted 50% to $62.49. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 3. KASAENU 25W Fast USBC Charger for Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus / S21 Plus / S20 Plus / S9 / S8 Ultra FE Plus Flip 3 / Z Fold 3 5G Note 2010 A53 USBC Wall Charger. 25W Fast Type-C charger is equipped with 6.6-foot cord, which can support longer distance and provide you with more convenience. USBC charger is nearly 3 times faster than that of the Samsung 5W charger. Fast charger allows you to fully charge your phone in a short time. Designed for Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Ultra, S21 Plus, S21 Plus, S20 Ultra, and S20 Plus, S20 FE. Original price, $17.99, now discounted 50% to $8.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 4. WLLDANT 42W 3-port travel USB-C plug adapter. EU/US/UK travel charger safety system combines over voltage regulation, over current regulation, temperature control, and more to keep you and your device safe. 30W USB-C port offers fast and efficient charging for devices, which can charge 3x faster than traditional wall chargers. 1 USB-C universal travel charger plug equals 3, allowing you to easily charge multiple devices. Original price, $19.99, now discounted 50% to $9.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 5. Wireless charger for Apple iPhone / iWatch / AirPods. The package includes a 3-in-1 iPhone charging station, a Type-C power cable, an 18W adapter, and a user guide. Every charger station we sent to you has gone through a series of quality inspection processes. If you have any questions, please contact us and we'll provide you with a satisfied solution. Original price, $59.99. Now discounted 65% to $20.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 6. Ski Socks High Performance Thick Snow Skiing Socks. Fantastic gift for your friends and family. Fit for skiing, snowboarding, snowmobile, climbing, mountaineering, ice skating, general workouts, and other winter sports. Made of 60% cotton, 37% nylon, and 3% spandex. Hand wash only. Original price, $13.99, now discounted 50% to $6.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 7. Power strip with USBC, 6-foot ultra-thin extension cord with 3 outlets. Mephaso worry-free 12-month warranty and friendly customer service. Compact and lightweight, easy to carry, and best for travel. USBC delivering 3A/15 WLLDANT, each USB-A 2.4A max. The Type-C port doesn't support MacBooks or any other laptops which need 1422V charging. Original price, $25.78, now discounted 50% to $12.89. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 8. Electric screwdriver ARROWMAX cordless precision screwdriver set with 28 magnetic precision bits. The C's mini electric screwdriver set is equipped with a 350 mAh battery with long battery life. This mini electric screwdriver can assemble and disassemble most 3C products, laptops, 4-axis unmanned machines, glasses, clocks, toys, models. The USB-C port is convenient for you to charge at any time. Original price, $49.99, now discounted 25% to $37.49. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 9. For pack small makeup bag for purse, travel cosmetic bag waterproof makeup pouch for women. Each of these purse pouch bags has vibrant color, holds your concealer, lipsticks or credit card, keys, etc. Small size and lightweight, 0.07 pounds. Keep your wallet organized and keep personal items in your wallet without being noticed. With smooth metal zipper, no compartments, more storage space. Original price, $14.99, now discounted 59% to $6.0. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 10. GoldyiTS linen tablecloth soft tablecloth. This rectangle tablecloth is perfect for everyday use, party, holidays, catering, cafes, special occasions, dinners, brunches, potlucks, BBQs, buffets, baby showers, indoor and outdoor use, weddings, and more. The impressively durable fabric promises to be a long-lasting and stylish complement to your home. Original price, $14.91, now discounted 50% to $7.45. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 11. DTK 3-2 utility rolling cart with cover board, rolling storage cart with handle and locking wheels. This 3-2 utility rolling cart with cover board is easy to store and transport. It can be used as utility carts, bathroom carts, kitchen storage carts, dining carts, service carts, storage racks, tool carts, and more. Suitable for office, kitchen, living room, bathroom, and other scenes. Original price, $39.99, now discounted 37% to $24.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 12. 6-pack diamond painting kits for adults. DIY 3D diamond painting perfect to decorate your living room, bedroom, office, restaurant. If the diamond art kit for adults you receive is missing the diamond, I will resend one set of brand new products to you. the DIY 5D diamond paintings kits is printing canvas, high-definition digital symbols, not easy to fold. Original price, $28.99, now discounted 50% to $14.49. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. That's all for today. Notice that most of the coupon code of the deals can be expired very soon, so be sure to subscribe to catch up-to-date offers. If you're looking for something specific, just let me know in the comments below and we'll keep an eye out for it. See you next time.